Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share job update with you. Before that, please like this video and share this video with your friend who need job and job update and latest opportunity. And please subscribe my channel. And if you connect with me on social media platform, I give the description link. I give the link in a description box. Please connect with us also. Let's start our first job. Our first job as a full stack developer for Mumbai, Maharashtra location and experience need here 0 to 2 year of experience need here and salary is 50k to 60k per annum. Okay. There is total one opening and and this is 4 day ago it released. This is your job description. You can see here you must knowledge of HTML5 and CSS3 and you have also need to know MongoDB API, REST API and role is full stack developer. Industry is education training and department is engineering and software engineer. Okay. How to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Harmonic. Harmonic is hiring for associate QA engineer for broadband and this is your role. Who are we? This is about company and this is your location. This is hybrid location working 3 to 4 day a week in a office and location is in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Okay. And and this is eligibility criteria. You must completed your BE BTech in electronic and communication engineering and you have passed 2022 and 2023 pass out student only with no backlog. Minimum 70% score during completion of the score of the course. Knowledge in 3 year networking protocols and you must knowledge of Linux, knowledge in its advantage, and you knowledge of Python is a programming knowledge, and you must need. Uh, and how to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is hiring for SQL developer for fresher role. And experience here 0 to 1 year of experience and salary is not disclosed here too. There are total 3 job opening and and this is your roles and responsibility here. You have minimum 6 months of experience in SQL development. Candidate who join immediately or by 30 days means 30-day notice period only and showed knowledge of SQL join function syntax and Microsoft SQL Server means MS SQL Server. How to apply the job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is from is as a application engineer intern. This is this is company name. About company name is Hexagon. Hexagon is hiring for as a application engineer intern. Okay, there are total. Uh, this is about company and this is about vacancy and location is Pune, India and basic employer. Employment type is intern and total 90 days of time. How to apply this job? Before that, you can read about this main task and requirement here, and how. And after that, you can simply click apply here and you fill the details. Our next job is from wileyedge. Wileyedge is hiring for this role and and your eligibility criteria like you have completed your BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA and BSc MSc, branch in CSC, ECIT, Triple E, I, EIE, mathematics, statistics. Percentage criteria, you must above than 60 or more than the 60 percentage. Year of passing is 2022 and 2023 student only. And this is about you must knowledge of Java, Python programming skill, and you must knowledge of MySQL, Oracle, database skill. You able to visualization, network application, knowledge of Linux is good for you, and willingness to work major cities across India. This is the registration form. There are total uh, there are total four types of job. First job is software development, production management, IT support specialist, and site and reliability engineer. How to apply this job? You simply fill all the detail like name, last name, and after you have submit your application form here. Our next job is as Python developer training from Emirates Overseas Requirement Consultancy. For 402 1 year of experience need here, and salary is 2.5 LPA to 4 LPA per annum, and women candidate prefer for this job role, and there are total 100 opening, and mm, there are total 100 opening, and this is your roles and responsibility here. After that, how to apply this job? You will simply click apply now, and you fill the details. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and please share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel.